there's such a vast array of different songs and messages on my album. So one of them, for example, I've got a song called Cows Make Milk and Bees Make Honey, and asparagus makes your voice sound funny, and the kids love it. It's got all these trumping noises and stuff, and I actually wrote it to get my kid to dry asparagus, but some of the mums are contacting me and going, oh my goodness, like my kid will not stop wanting to play the song. But I love that, because some of the fun stuff I put on my albums are deliberate and have no agenda whatsoever other than just to be funny, because it makes the kids want to listen to the other stuff. And then there's other songs on there, like my teeth brushing and getting their shoes and coats on, and they're going to help parents out, right? And then you've got the much more intentional, deeper wisdom songs that are really giving children a prescription for living and helping them understand their thoughts and feelings. So if you want to check them out, by the way, you can find them on Spotify and all of the major digital providers, YouTube, all of them.